Okay, so hello, my name is Aidoe. Now I will teach you science. The topics are genes and alleles, genotypes and phenotypes, dominant and recessive. Dominant alleles and recessive alleles, to be more specific. Genes and alleles. Genes, by definition, is just a part of a DNA that determines a specific trait. Therefore, a gene's form may vary across organisms. For example, your eye color or hand size, metabolism, cell structure, and what have you. Alleles, on the other hand, is a different form of the same gene. That may be a little bit confusing, so here are some examples. For example, if we treat milk as a gene, there are various types of milk or alleles. You have your non-fat, low-fat, or full cream milk. To be more specific, you have your eye color gene, and you have the alleles of black eyes, yellow eyes, blue eyes, or green eyes. In other words, they vary. Next, let's go to genotypes and phenotypes. Genotypes refer to the pairings of these alleles, and phenotypes refer to the expression of a specific trait. Therefore, phenotypes is what you can see with the naked eye. Genotypes is a more of a theoretical concept of these pairings. So you have uppercase B in the Punnett square and lowercase b. They can be paired as uppercase B, lowercase b, and uppercase B, or lowercase, or both lowercase b's. Those are your genotypes. And whether the flower will turn out purple or white or any color, that is what you call the phenotype, or again, the expression of that specific trait. Now, dominant and recessive. Organisms have at least two alleles per gene, always. Having said this, the relationship between alleles may be characterized as dominant or recessive. Dominant traits are always prioritized over recessive alleles. Unless you have two recessive alleles, then the phenotype will come out as that recessive allele. Otherwise, if you have a pairing of a dominant and a recessive allele, then what will come out is that dominant allele. Check the last bullet. Therefore, in order for a recessive allele to be visible in a phenotype, they must be homozygous, not heterozygous. For example, in the Punnett square, you have uppercase B, lowercase b, uppercase b, or both lowercase b's, wherein which the lowercase is the recessive gene. As a review, let's go back. Genes are a part of the DNA that determine a specific trait, and alleles is just a variation of that trait. Genotypes refer to the pairings of these alleles, and phenotypes refer to the expression of these pairings. On the other hand, dominant alleles are prioritized over the recessive alleles. And